Hey, check it out. I'm sporting this tactical backpack here. This is by MOZETO, and this is a TSA approved carry-on backpack. It's a tactical style abrasion test that these zippers go through basically to qualify and to say that they're going to be really, really durable. That's the main thing on a bag. You can have the greatest fabric, you can have all the storage you want, but if your zippers fail, you might as well just throw the bag in the trash. So that's really important not to be underestimated. So they've got that going for them. In addition to that, this is tactical style. The canvas on this is very durable. So you're gonna want that, especially for travel. On the back here, look at all this thick padding on your shoulder blades and the lower back area. Let me show you on the inside. I'm loving the flag right here, but just right here on the inside, you've got this, you got a nice pocket right here on the front. And just give you an idea of how deep it is there. Again, great zipper. And then you've got these little like woven in loops. So if you have like a carabiner or you have keys and whatnot, you can attach a bunch of stuff to that. So you've got that front pocket. You've got another pocket up here. Okay. This is going to be great for accessories or a wallet or a phone. Then you've got the next pocket here, which is a little deeper. You know, kind of let you see down in there. You've got stuff for like pens, pencils. Again, you got some other pockets, again, for a keychain right here. And that goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. So that's pretty deep there. But we can go ahead, if we want to squeeze this bag closed and compress it down, you can attach each one of these like this. And these are super high quality, and you just cinch these down, and it's basically going to make your bag more compact. This is a really great feature on this bag. Watch this. This opens up all the way and it lays flat. You see that? So that's key. And right here I have all my clothes ready for the trip, and you can kind of see how much we were able to get in there. There is a laptop behind here, which I'll show you in a second, but look at this right here. All right, this right here is where you're going to plug in your power bank, and that's just going to sit down here in the bag. And then right here on the exterior is where you're going to plug in your phone. And again, you can load this bag up with whatever you want. It's going to be a great weekend bag. It's going to be a great travel bag. So we're going to go ahead and flip that closed. Look at how easy and smooth these zippers are. Sitting right down in there. It's got a little strap here to hold it in. So you're going to get just the right amount of stuff in there. Again, TSA approved, great zipper quality, super tough canvas. So yeah, they did a great job with this one. So if you're looking for a really good backpack all around, just check it out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.